Dear students, today we are going to study pinacol-pinacolone rearrangement. Pinacol is a 1,2-diol and the pinacolone is a carbonyl compounds. Here 1,2-diols are converted into carbonyl compounds. It involves acid-catalyzed dehydration of 1,2-diols followed by rearrangement of carbon skeleton to form ketones. That is, in the mechanism, first it involves acid-catalyzed dehydration, then rearrangement of carbon skeleton. In this example, CH3, C, CH3OH, C, CH3, CH3OH in presence of dilute sulfuric acid, this pinacol is converted into pinacolone. Here see CH3, C, CO, C, CH3, CH3, CH3. This ketonic part is known as pinacolone. Now let's see the mechanism. In this compound CH3COH, CH3, C, CH3, CH3OH in presence of sulfuric acid, this sulfuric acid will donate H plus ion and this H plus ion will be absorbed by either of these OH. That will depend upon the steric hindrance of the substituents on the carbon atom. Here we can see in both carbon atom the substituents are same, all are CH3 groups. So this H plus can be attached to any of this OH atom. So this oxygen have two lone pairs of electrons and this hydrogen atom will be shifted to this OH and using this lone pair of electron it will form OH2 plus. Here you can see this OH absorb this H plus ion and it will form OH2 plus. Now in the next step is the dehydration. In the dehydration step, this OH2 plus will take away the electrons from the carbon atom and it will emit as H2O. And this carbon atom loses its electrons and this will form a carbocation. You see here, this carbon loses water. This take away the electrons from this carbon atom. This bond will be broken and this carbon atom acquires positive charge and the dehydration step is over. Next step is migration of substituents from the nearby carbon atom. Here we can see in this carbon atom two substituents are there and both are the same. So any of these substituent can shift to this carbocation. Here we can see CH3 and CH3. So one CH3 is shifted towards the carbocation as CH3 minus. So this bond will be broken and this CH3 will take away these electrons and will move towards this carbocation. Hence the reaction becomes CH3 COH plus C CH3 CH3 CH3. Now this carbon atom takes electron from this oxygen and it will form a double bond between this carbon and oxygen. So this electron will be shifted towards here and it will be converted into C double bond OH plus. See here. Now the compound becomes CH3 C double bond OH plus C CH3 CH3 CH3. In the next step, this hydrogen atom will lose as H plus ion and that will give away its electron to this oxygen atom and this plus will be neutralized. So this H will be lost as H plus ion and this electron will be utilized by this oxygen atom and that oxygen will become neutral. That means that will get its lone pairs back. So the compound becomes CH3 CO C CH3 CH3 CH3. See here, this H will lose as H plus ion and that electron will be utilized by this oxygen atom and that will be neutral and this will become a ketone and this compound is known as pinacolone. So now we studied pinacol is converted into pinacolones. Now let us see about migratory preference. I already told you in this mechanism, first is dehydration, then rearrangement of carbon skeleton. The rearrangement that depends upon the migratory aptitude of the substituents. Here see, migratory aptitude is least for methyl group. That means methyl group has less preference for the shift. And higher preference is for this benzyl group with OCH3 group in the para position, and next is OCH3 group in the ortho position, then comes chlorine in the para, then phenyl group with chlorine in the ortho position, then hydrogen, tertiary butyl, isopropyl, ethyl, and the least is methyl group. So if two substituents, like one is methyl group and the other one is hydrogen atom will undergo shift. Now we take another example. One pinacol, C6H5, C, CH3, OH, C, OH, CH3, CH2, CH3 in presence of dilute sulfuric acid. Let's see what will happen here. Now we can see in both these carbon atom, when you are comparing this carbon atom, this carbon is having less steric hindrance or less bulkiness compared to this. So in this carbon, the sulfuric acid H plus will be added to this OH, and this lone pair of electron is used for bonding with H plus ion. So it will form OH2 plus, and you can see here pH, COH, CH3, C, OH2 plus, CH3, CH2, CH3. That means this H plus ion is added to the carbon atom which contain less bulky groups. And in the next step, this dehydration happens here. Here you can see this OH2 plus will take away the electrons from this bond. That means the bond will be broken and this electron will be moves towards OH2 plus and it will be emit as water. So this carbon atom acquires positive charge. Here see pH, COH, CH3, C plus CH3, CH2, CH3. And the next step is 1,2 shift or migration of substituents from the nearby carbon atom to this carbocation. Here we can see in this carbon atom there are two substituents. One is the phenyl group and the other one is the CH3 group. From the migratory performance, we have seen that phenyl group has more migratory aptitude than the methyl group. So here, when comparing the phenyl and the CH3 group, phenyl group has more migratory aptitude than the CH3 group. Hence, the phenyl group will be migrated towards this carbocation. It will be shifted as pH minus and this carbon atom will get the positive charge. Hence, the reaction becomes CH3, C plus OH, C, pH, CH3, CH2, CH3. And here we can see this oxygen atom has two lone pairs of electrons, and using this lone pair of electron, the electron will be shifting towards this carbon atom and this carbon oxygen bond will become double bond and the oxygen atom will get the positive charge. Here you see here this oxygen has two lone pair of electrons and one lone pair of electron will be shifted towards this carbon atom, and using this positive charge carbon oxygen bond will become double bond and this oxygen will get the positive charge. Hence the reaction becomes CH3 C double bond OH plus C pH CH3 CH2 CH3. And in the last step, this H will be loose as H plus ion and that will transfer its electron to this O plus ion and the oxygen atom will get back its lone pair of electrons and the oxygen will become neutral. So the reaction becomes CH3 C double bond O C pH CH3 CH2 CH3. Here see, you can see CH3 CO C pH CH3 CH2 CH3. So in this reaction pinacol is converted into pinacolone using dilute sulfuric acid. Hope you understood the mechanism and thank you for watching.